Here at American Waterworks, we do like to further our relationship with our customers, and what we have to offer is our annual maintenance program. As a homeowner, we've all felt the concerns when we hear that we have storms coming through. Here at American Waterworks, we believe that annual maintenance program is important. It allows us to provide customers with that peace of mind that their systems are going to function and run smoothly during those times of worry. Our technicians cover flood testing the pump systems. They cycle water and they test each pump individually. They make sure that they clean the sump basket for any settlement or silt. They change the battery in the water watchman alarm, as well as load test the battery in the battery backup system. They make sure that all the pumps floats are functioning as they should. Our technicians do check all inspection ports and flush out the water guard system. They use their hydrometer to make sure that the humidity levels are in check, and they check for any sort of domestic water leaks in the discharge line. For our geolock anchor system, the technicians tighten all the anchors to spec depending on the wall or foundation type. Once the geolock anchor solution is torqued to spec, the technicians will then benchmark the walls that have our wall solution to make sure that we are tracking progress and movement on the wall. Once that inspection on the inside is completed, they move on to the outside. The outside inspection consists of a thorough walk around the home, taking a look at the exposed foundation, checking for any cracks or any damage in the foundation itself, checking to see how the gutters look and downspouts. The technicians follow the same process as our waterproofing, if waterproofing applies in an encapsulation. Along with that, they do a full inspection of the encapsulation to make sure there's no rips or tears, make sure that everything is properly sealed and humidity levels are under control. Once the annual maintenance and inspection is complete, our technicians take the time to put together a thorough report of everything they inspected and serviced. If our technicians do discover any concerns, they do sit down and put together a proper solution to present to our homeowners. We recommend our homeowners having an annual maintenance done yearly. We would like to be able to provide that peace of mind that during the heavy rains and storms that come through, you won't have to worry about having any issues with your system. If you're interested in our annual maintenance program, please give us a call to the office today. Our number is 800-795-1204.